I am very excited to be able to show you the Festool KAPEX KS120. My name is Alan and a warm welcome to Festool TV. The extraction on the KAPEX 120 is phenomenal, and this is because Festool prioritizes extraction and everything is designed and built around efficient extraction. The port on the KAPEX can accommodate a 27 or a 32mm hose. Or to significantly improve extraction, you can use a short 36mm hose that can be fitted on the outside. The front mitre is so easy to adjust. Pull the lever up and push the top button. The saw can now be swiveled to any angle and locked in position by simply pushing the lever down. The scale is very easy to read, and on the gauge there are also helpful pointers to gain perfect half a degree accuracy. The extensive angle range is from 50 degrees on the left to 60 degrees on the right. You can use the preset stops for frequently used angles at 0, 15, 22.5, 30, 45 and 60 degrees on the right. The cutting capacity on the width is 305 and on the height is 88mm. But the KAPEX has 120 mode. Let me show you. Have a look at the normal cutting function, and this gives you the 88mm depth of cut. But if you push this little green lever down and nest the head, look at the difference in range. And this increase in capacity to 120mm at the back of the blade is perfect for cutting material that is tall and narrow. To bring the saw back to normal operation, push this green button and slide the head forward. 120 mode is now disengaged. An awesome feature on the Festool KAPEX range is the front supporting arm, as the KAPEX can be placed right up against the wall. Perfect for working in small enclosed environments. There are table extensions, which by loosening the lock you can extend out. The clamp is great for securing the material. It can also be moved to the other side. You can easily adjust the rear fences to better support the material, or they can be removed completely. Trenching is great on the KAPEX. Pull the trenching lever forward and adjust the cutting depth by turning the lever. With fine control, you can turn clockwise to reduce the depth, and anti-clockwise deepens the cut. With adjustment capacity of 45mm, push the lever back to return to full normal cutting operation. The angle adjustment on the KS120 is just brilliant. The release is here on top, easy to get to. At the moment, I can swing the saw over to angles up to 45 degrees on the left. Now just under the lock is a green dial, and you can control the swinging action. The options you have are 0 to 45 on the left, or to 45 degrees on both sides, or up to 47 degrees right and left. To help give you the ultimate control, there is a fine adjuster, so you can micro set the precise angle you want. And take a look at how easy it is to read the angle indicator, and this is on both sides. The precision aids don't just stop there. When I swing the KAPEX over, it stays in position. The KS120 is weighted to maintain the position, giving you time to accurately adjust and lock off when you get the perfect angle. It's not often that your power tool has a warning that it has lasers. The KS120 has 2 lasers which help you align the material to the blade. The button to switch the lasers on is on top. One laser is for the left curve of the blade and one is for the right. So you can be confident that you are cutting precisely as you intend. Using the correct saw blade for the type of material is very important to achieving the best cut safely. The key to change the blade is nested in the cable winder at the back, and here is the spindle lock. As well as the correct saw blade, the correct corresponding speed needs to be set. At Festool we call this multi-material control, MMC, and this is located here. Bisecting angles is no problem for the KAPEX, and on the KS120 you get the brilliant angle finder to bisect internal and external angles. Set the bevel into the corner and open the wings so they nest up against the faces and lock the angle off. Now, holding the bevel against the back fence, you can swivel the KAPEX around to align the two lasers with the center markings on the angle finder. For exterior angles, you can extend the wings out and lock the angle finder in place. Slide the wings back in and then set the angle finder on the KAPEX. The KAPEX is awesome, but all the genius features really come together when combined as part of the Festool system. There is a full complement of accessories and consumables, extraction systems, and to top it all off, Festool service, an intensive support package to back you up. With Festool, systems get it done. Thank you for watching Festool TV.